welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be our Ipsy versus Boxycharm showdown. So excited. So today we are going to see which box outdid the other one, since they are both basically the same price value, and you get 5 full-size items in both boxes. So if you're ready for this video, be sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below if you've not already, because I have hit 1500. So as soon as I can get everything around, I will be hosting my 1500 giveaway here on my channel. So you do want to get subscribed, so that way you can be entered into that. Anyways, we're going to dive into this video, and I think I'm just going to start with Boxycharm first, which it's in this like little narrow box. They've kind of been doing that lately. So the theme for this month is called Boxycharm All Natural. And first up in the box are these Luxy brushes. They come in this like natural packaging, which is interesting. So inside you get a foundation brush, you get a precision crease brush, and then you get a large eye blending brush. So I am really excited for these. I love Luxy brushes, and I don't know if you guys can see, but the wooden handle is like, you can see the grains of the wood on the handle, which is really neat. I like that a lot. So also, I did not explain, the reason why my face looks so bare is because I am going to be doing a try on portion at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Next up in the box, we got this Element Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Here's what it looks like. And this does smell really good. The scent actually reminds me a lot of the Teamy Green Tea Detox Mask. This actually smells a lot like that. Next, I got this Alamar Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the shade Dose. Can't really say it, but it's basically just it's a pretty nude shade, but I'm kind of bummed because it legit smells like nothing, and I really like my lip products to smell. I've like gotten to the point whereas if you don't smell, I'm not gonna buy you. So I can't say I'm too thrilled about that, but I love the brand Alamar, so you know. Next, I got this Appeal Gel Liner in the shade Forest Green. Here's what it looks like. Here's it swatched for you. It's just a pretty dark green. I'm not a fan of pencil liners really at all. Don't really use them. I'm more of a liquid liner person. Then the last thing in the box is this Butter London palette. The packaging on this is really pretty. The shades really aren't too exciting. Like, I really wish this would have had, I don't know, just the color's been a little bit brighter. Like, I would have loved for these pinks down here to be a little bit brighter, but I don't know. I mean, it says Natural Goddess, so I'm getting that it's a natural palette, but I don't know. I just think it could have been better. Alright, so that is everything for Boxycharm for the month of July. Let's see what I got in Ipsy. Now, I am loving the way Ipsy is doing the add-ons things. Like, I've been taking advantage of some of the add-ons lately, so I for sure did this month because they had some really good stuff. So the theme for Ipsy's box is called Dive In, so it's kind of like pool summer themed, I guess you could call it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my add-ons that I got. I got both of these Go Tint blushes by Benefit. I have the mini one of this one, and I love it. I'm actually almost out of it. I use it so much. So I wanted to go and pick up the full size of this one, and then I've been wanting this one, but I just hadn't got it yet. So I got both of these as an add-on, and then I got this Luxy, what is this called? Luxy
Did not like it.
So I'm actually just going to be throwing this in my giveaway for you guys. Maybe one of you all would enjoy it more than I did. And then I got this set of Naked, they're like loose pigments. And I'm really not sure how I feel about this, but I have a problem with these like little loose, like single shadows and like little loose pigments. I have a problem with these things. Like, they sit around and I never use them because I always open up an eyeshadow palette to use an eyeshadow palette when I do my eye look. But they are super pretty. Like, they do look really pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch this one. Like, I think this would even make a pretty highlight. But here's that one swatched. Like, they are really pretty. So I don't know. I might give it a try and make myself try to use them. Anyway, so I got 4 of those in this little Naked Cosmetics box thing. And then last thing that I received in my Ipsy box is this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I'm so excited about this. I love how whenever you move her face, it shows like the highlight on her face. It's so pretty. And then here's what it looks like in the inside. It's so pretty. Really excited to try this out. And I like how it kind of shows you like up here. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy. For me, Ipsy for sure won, because out of everything in the Ipsy box, the only thing I would not use is the It Superhero Mascara, just because I'm not a fan of it. I've already tried it and no, I don't like it. And in the Boxycharm box, there's only like 2 things I'm excited to use, which are the brushes and the mask. I'm really not interested in the gloss, the eyeshadow palette, or the liner. But yeah, overall, I do think Ipsy won. So I do want to go ahead and do a quick little like try on with some of these products that I can. I have already did most of my face. I did foundation, concealer, powder. I did my brows and everything. So I am going to go ahead and play around with this highlighter. I could set my face with this setting spray. I can't decide if I'm actually going to keep this Butter London palette, so I hate to swatch it and like actually use it. But I do think I will go ahead and play around with this green liner and then these loose pigments from Naked Cosmetics. So we are going to go ahead and just create a little look with these products here. I'm going to go ahead and try to play around with these loose pigments just to kind of see what they can do. So I'm just going to go in with this darkest shade. And I'm just going to get a little bit on my brush. So I've never really used a loose pigment like to actually like put in a crease as a crease shade or anything. The only time I like actually use loose pigments is to like tap all over the lid to like apply more like dimension and stuff. Like, I don't know. These are really pretty colors, and like I really do like, they are very, very pigmented. At least I'm not getting a lot of fallout, you know. Life could be worse. Okay, then I'm just gonna go in with this more like gold shade. And I'm just gonna actually use my finger and then I'm just gonna apply that all over to the lid. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this green liner and just put that all in the waterline. Now we're gonna go in and try this Huda Beauty palette. I don't know if I'm gonna quite do like all these steps up here because that would be a lot of highlight. But I am gonna kind of use this as a blush because I don't have any blush on. And then I will use one of these two as my highlight. I'm just gonna go in with my Pac-Man brush. I've been loving this for blush lately. It is really pretty. It's a really pretty like glowy blush. I will actually use this for a blush instead of a highlight. And then I think I'm gonna maybe mix these two and use those as my highlight. Oh, these are really pretty. They're actually like remind me of like my Fenty highlighters that I love so much. Really, really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up because it does say to, no, it doesn't say to shake, but you can tell that it like separates. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face real quick. Okay, that is actually really nice. I love this glow line that they have. So good. So that is going to be it for today's video. I still have to put some mascara on, all that fun stuff, but y'all don't need to see all that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.